Hey everybody, Isaiah here at Sophos Survival. I am really excited to introduce to you Hell's Fire fire starting clay. All right, so the idea for Hell's Fire came from my experience in the outdoors where I wanted to be able to get a fire lit in any condition, no matter what. It's waterproof, it's windproof, and it burns over 2,000 degrees. My frustration with a lot of other fire starters on the market is that they blow out really easily. So you're out there in your windy conditions, a gust of wind comes along and poof, it blows it right out. So mine, you light that up, those fibers, and once it gets going, that wind comes along, you can't put it out. So even in the wind, this stuff will light. You just have to take those fibers, expose that. I'll squish that back together. I like to use, in a windy condition, I like to use a ferro rod because you can get a nice heavy spark right on there, where a lot of lighters and stuff will just go out. And there you go. All right, so another required feature is that it had to be waterproof. You're out there, it's raining, it's coming down on you, you fall in the lake, the river, whatever it is, and you get that thing wet, okay? All you gotta do, shake that off a little bit and re-expose those fibers, okay? So you tear a piece of it off and you've got that cotton in there. All you gotta do, if you mess it up, if you accidentally squish it again, you just boom, tear that apart, get those fibers, squish it together. And if you can get a good solid spark right on those fibers, I like to anchor the tip of my ferro rod right there next to it. There you go. So it burns hot. It burns over 2,000 degrees, and the idea was that I wanted to be able to light it. If it's windy, if it's rainy, whatever, you've got your ball of tinder, and you put that fire starter right in the center of it, you light it up. Even with damp tinder, you're gonna be able to get your fire going, okay? Now the key to a successful fire is that you've gotta be prepared. You've gotta have all of your other tinder ready to go so that now that that's lit, I can add and catch the rest of my tinder on fire, and away we go. No matter the adventure or conditions, Hell's Fire will help you get your fire started.